Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening settings and going straight to security and two-factor authentication. This is where backup codes live. Tap authentication app or text messages, confirm your active method, and make sure your phone unlocks so you can approve prompts. Once done, scroll to backup codes and tap show codes. You're creating a fallback for when your primary method fails, so capture them now, either screenshot, copy them, or write them down in a secure place before moving on. After you tap Show Codes, Instagram displays 8 one-time use codes. These are single-use, so treat each like a spare key. Copy them into a trusted password manager or a secure notes app, and also print a physical copy to store in a safe place. Once saved, make a quick note of where each copy lives so you can find it under stress. If you lose a code after use, return here to regenerate a fresh set. Don't try to reuse a spent code. When you cannot access your primary 2FA, enter one of the backup codes at the login prompt. It works instantly and logs you in without the phone prompt. After using any code, head back to backup codes and regenerate so you always keep a full set. If codes don't work, double-check you typed them exactly and that you're using an unused code. If still blocked, start Instagram's account recovery flow or contact support with proof of identity to regain access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.